Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing a new subscription box, and this is quite different because this is not a beauty subscription box, but it's a stationery planner subscription box, and this is from Oopsie Daisy. So if you want to know about this subscription box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we have a new subscription box unboxing, and yes, this is from Oopsie Daisy. So I'm really new about this subscription service, about this subscription box. I just discovered it while scrolling on my Facebook. This is also a small business, so I really want to support more small business this year. So yes, when I saw their products, and I really wanted to try them. I tried these two subscription. I think there are more available in their site, so if you want to check it out, I will pop the link down below. As you know, I really love stationery, really love collecting them, but I'm really into planner at the moment because of my anxiety, lovelies. I think it helps more planning beforehand. I've been into planner at the moment, so yes, and I discovered this site, and I really wanted to try them. And I don't know much about this one here because this is my first time subscribing. But first, let's start. So I have two subscription service here. So we have the monthly one, which is the mini one. There's also the mini one plus, but I just got the mini one just to try. And this one, it costs £10.50, including the shipping fee. And yes, and this one here, which is the big one, this is more like quarterly subscription box. This is their March box. It says on the website sold out because they're gonna open it again on Sunday or next week, I'm not sure. But this one, it costs £27 every 3 months. So every 3 months it's £27, including the shipping fee. So let's start first with the £10.50. So yeah, this is the mini one, not the mini one plus, because I think the mini one plus it cost £18, including the shipping fee. But yes, this is the box it came. It says warning, contains serious cute stationery. And then when you open it, looks like this, and it says I love planning big time. It's a postcard. It's like a card. And then we have this tissue paper, this really cute tissue paper, and it says Oopsie Daisy in here. It's really cute. So this is their March. I really don't want to ruin this paper. It's really cute. And inside we have, in every box you will receive a washi tape, and it says Oopsie Daisy. His name's Clacky. And so yeah, every month they will show you the theme. Next month theme I will pop here, so if you wanna check it out. And yes, it's like a 10-meter washi tape, and look at the design. I really love it. I really love washi tape at the moment, like collecting them because they are so cute. And then inside here we have also first look mini one resources, your first stop resource for stencil tip, and our all new coordinating printable papers. So here we go. And then inside in this box we have also the journal stickers. Then we it has all the time here. You have on in white or in black. Here we go. So cute. And the material of this lovely, it's really nice. Really like it. And then you have also like a card or a paper, and it says my perfect day, and it says if you enjoy this printable, you might want to think about joining our VIP squad. So yes, really nice. And then the part that I love, that I'm really like looking forward, is their stencil. So yes, these are the stencil. So this one, if you do the stencil, so I don't know if you can see, lovelies, but this stencil, if you do it, it will look like this. And this one here, I love the stencil. And because, as you know, I'm not really good like drawing something, so I'm using stencil. But yes, but that one is really nice, and the material is really good too. So it's like not a flimsy material. It's really nice. And that's all for the mini one subscription box, which is cost £10.50. And let's move on with the big one, and I'm really excited for this one. So this box, when you open, it says Happy Mail here. When you open, you will get this one here, which is a bag, and it says Oopsie Daisy. Really cute one. And then inside, there's loads of product. So yes, you will receive still that, which I love the design of this. There's sky. I really love it. And then you will get also in this like pouch a pen. So you will get a pen. This is the Jelly Roll Moonlight 06 pen in purple. I love it. I purchased this one, lovelies, as a one-off box because I was late with the subscription. And then you will get also in this one envelope, and it says your invite to self-care. And I think it's still available. If it's still available, I will pop their site down below. Love yourself. Then we have all this paper, and it says, how am I feeling today? Happy, tired. How can I be kind to myself? And you just do the list of here with the body or mind. 3 things to be grateful for. I love this one. You can just pop this one and with washi tape in your planner. Really nice one. And then you have also some stickers. We have the journal stickers. It's really cute one. You have this. You have the sun, the rainbow. It says self-care isn't selfish. I love it. And the other one, you get sleep from 2. Really nice one. Love it. And then you will get also here the sleep tracker one to put in your planner, and it's in the cardboard. And you will get also here, lovelies, 3 of the scrapbook paper, you call them, and I really love it. It's one side and this side here. You have this side. I really like it. Oh, love the design with all the sun, and it reminds me of spring, summer now that we're going there. So yeah, love it. And then you will get 2 of these, which is one is the stencil, and let's start with stencil. You will get 4 stencil. I hope I can show you, lovelies. So the first one is like this, so you can have a list in here, and yes. And then you get also the font, which is I'm really excited about. You have the numbers, you have all the font, you have all this like design. I can't wait to try them. And then you have also small stencil with all the sun, all design. And then the rainbow one too. Oh, so cute. Can't wait to try them. I really can't wait to try them. And then we have another mindful mandalas. Here we go. Let's open this one. We have more stencil here. So yes, this one is to make the mandala effect one. Really can't wait to try this. Look at this. I really can't wait. So yes, that's it, I think. Yeah, that's it for this one. And to be honest, lovelies, I can't wait to get the summer one because they released the theme one, which is a big summer. I'm not sure, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I think for £27 it's really not bad, lovelies. You get 4 stencil, scrapbook, and a pen, a purple pen one. You have this too, like the pads, I think. And yes, I am not sure about the mini one. If I want to get like the mini one, I think I will get the plus one, which has more item inside. But I think for £10.50 it's not bad because you will get 2 stencil. For the big one, for the quarterly one, I'm so excited for that one. So yes, I did a big order too from their site, so stay tuned for my unboxing for that one. I'm still waiting for that one, so let's see. So yes, I'm really excited for this one. They do also surprise box, which is a 25 pounds, and the products worth inside is 70 pounds. So I will wait for that one because it's already sold out. So when it come, I'll definitely get another one. So yes, that's it for this subscription box. I think if you are into planner or kind of these things, you will enjoy this subscription box definitely. So if you want to check this one out, I will pop the link, all the info in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.